Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope after watching this video you will learn what is share market, what is IPO, what is SEBI, Sensex, Nifty and listed company. So let's begin. There is a saying, if the base is strong, building will also be strong. So in this video, I'm going to make your base strong in stock market so that you have your own building. So we will learn the basics of stock market. Think that I have a company called Bright, which run the local. When I started, my friends and family member had invested in it. But now my company Bright want to grow and need more investment to expand the business. So what should I do? If I take loan from bank, I need to pay interest on that. So I will raise fund through public for working capital. For that, I need to list my company in stock market. We call it as IPO, initial public offering, for the company which is in the market for the first time. So, if the company has never issued shares to the public and doing it for the first time, it is known as IPO. I'm going to give the example for IPO at the end of the video. Now, when company wants to get listed, then I have to go to SEBI. So, what is SEBI? Securities and Exchange Board of India is a statutory regulatory body entrusted with the responsibility to regulate the Indian capital markets. So, in simple words, SEBI manages all the listed company in share market and their transaction to protect the interest of investors by enforcing certain rules and regulation. So, they are the boss who manages all the listed company. So, I need to fill Red Herring Prospectus RHP preliminary registration document with all the details of my company and take it to SEBI. Once it is submitted, they are going to verify and then it gets approved. It might take 6 months to 1 year or 2 years for the approval. Once it is approved, I will take my company Bright to stock exchange. So what is stock exchange? Once the company is listed, buying and selling of shares have been started. To support the company and public, there are intermediators whom we call as stock exchange. So there are two main stock exchange in India, NSE and BSE. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange, BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. Before discussing NSE and BSE, let's understand what is share price and who decides the stock price. Assume I need 50 lakhs to expand my business. Once my company got listed in stock exchange, I will issue new shares to the public, that is IPO. I will offer 5,000 shares for rupees 1,000 each in share market. And once people buy these shares, I will be getting 50 lakhs and with this money, I can expand business and can make more money. After buying a share, that might be 1, 2 or 10 or 100, I will have a unit of ownership in that company, which is called as share. So now when my company earns profit, there will be ups and downs in the share price. So who decides this price? Always remember, after a company goes public and starts trading on stock exchange, that might be NSE or BSE, its price is determined by supply and demand in the market. So, stock prices are determined by the law of demand and supply. Indian share market has two stock exchange, BSE, NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. In Bombay Stock Exchange, there are about 5,000 listed companies. Top 30 companies are registered in BSE. Sensex is index. Example, a test book. So what syllabus are there in the book is mentioned in the index of test book. Likewise, both stock exchange, that is NSE and BSE, has their own index. Out of 5,000 listed company, they have made a group of top 30 companies. BSE has combined top 30 companies of different sectors. So when there is ups and down in the market, they will remove the average of these 30 companies and show them in Sensex value. Just by looking at the Sensex value, you will get to know the total value of BSE in the market for yesterday and today. Likewise, NSE, National Stock Exchange, which has more than 1,600 companies listed on its platform. Top 50 companies are registered in National Stock Exchange. Top 50 companies average will be shown in Nifty value. The word Nifty is derived from the combination of two words, national and 50. And remember, there are many common stock between these two stock exchange. So in simple words, if you want to know the market price of BSE, check the Sensex value. And if you want to know the market price for NSE, check the Nifty value. Let's make the concept very clear. IPO, initial public offering. Company goes from private to public. Once all the shares of the company have been sold, the company gets lump sum amount. They are not going to return the amount. The people who have purchased the share, they are going to sell and buy among themselves. Remember, money keeps rotating among the buyer and seller, not with the company. Once company sells all of its shares and these shares starts rotating on a regular basis, we call it as listed company. Now comes the main topic. Before investing anywhere, that might be mutual fund or share market, you must have the knowledge about it, where this company is taking your money. When you are spending even 10 rupees, you think about it. So when you are going to buy the share, you are going to ask the company where they are investing the money. So you can check the details in Money Control website or app, where you can easily track the market, where they are going to invest and future planning. With that, you will get an idea whether this sector is going to make profit or no. When we talk about money or investment, the broker comes as well. So there are many brokers of share market. If you want to buy or sell share, first you need to have your saving account. Then you have to open your trading account with broker. That might be Zerodha, Angel Broking, RKSV. There are many brokers in the market which should be linked with your saving account. Once you open trading account with the broker, your Demat account opens as well, which is mandatory, where your shares are held. To earn the good profit in the share market, you have to track the trend and use your intelligence. I will tell you why. I'm going to give the example, Rossari Biotech. I hope you have heard of this. It's a specialty chemical company. Its IPO was on 13th July 2020. So now the shares are rotating on a regular basis. We call it as listed stock. IPO share price was 423 to 425 per equity share. So now price has gone up to 804, 423 to 804, because Rossari is one of the leading specialty chemical manufacturer company. A very important point to be noted here is Rossari specialty chemical is a category of business which is right now increasing its exports. If you compare year on year, and the domestic consumption is also increasing. So many people were in an opinion that this sector may come into limelight. If you compare year on year, the Rossari is increasing its exports as well as domestic consumption. So that's why you need to track the trend and use your intelligence. There is risk in the market, but what if your profit margin is more than the loss? I hope you have understood. So do subscribe, like and share my channel and leave the comments below. I'll be coming up with the more videos. Till then, take care. Be safe.